learning about being Canadian Muslims. Just over 50 students aged 5 to 12 are marking their last day of summer class. The camp is run by the Centre for Excellence, a partnership between the Muslim Association of Calgary and the Calgary Foundation. Kids have been taking part in sports and activities inside and outside the Genesis Centre. They also learned Islamic teachings, such as being kind to others. The older kids were also involved in conversations about radicalization. There were discussions about whether they have ever been embarrassed or isolated to be a Muslim.
It's these feelings of isolation, these feelings of, this lack of sense of belonging that can perpetuate a youth down an evolutionary pathway towards radicalization. So what we want to do is from step one, we want to show them that no, it's okay. Everything that is part of your culture is part of this Canadian culture. You as a Canadian are part of this culture, and you have some added flavor.
Teenage volunteers donated their time during the camp to set a positive example for the kids that they should contribute to their community. There's trick shots, and then there's trick shots. Here's one that shouldn't even be possible, but